Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Eric Auto Center, the home of auto. Today we are going to learn about how to reset Honda Pilot 2016 maintenance light. So here on the screen you can see a lot of settings up there. So I'm gonna place settings, then I'll scroll and press down to vehicle information. Then I'll scroll down to maintenance info. So here you can see engine oil, air filter reset. So I press reset. So you can see, would you like to reset maintenance information, oil life 15% maintenance item? Then I can say yes. I press reset. Okay, maintenance have been reset. So I press OK. So back on the screen, can see I have it correct, and that is all. Subscribe to this channel and stay updated for more tutorials. Bye bye.